ain't going nowhere. This nigga got a pedestal. 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 Look at this motherfucker, y'all. Okay then. Okay. Okay, nigga. Okay. This nigga's all about to run away. Hold up. Okay. 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 Oh, fucking K.
Nigga ain't behind the line. Chill out with him. Behind the fucking line. Behind the fucking line, man. Man, I'll get this over, man.
Oh, what? What? Man, look. Listen. All them niggas that's in there know how niggas gonna get fucked. You know what I'm saying? That's what Cuz know. Cuz know how niggas gonna get fucked. They gonna flash shot at y'all. They fucking flash shot at y'all. They already know. They gonna flash shot at y'all. They already know. They know how it gonna go. Man, we gotta get it over with. Back up, man. You gotta get over. Niggas ain't gonna back up, man. You gotta get everybody in line to back up.
Hey, look, bag up some more, y'all.
Yo, man, them dogs getting hot as hell, man. Dogs gonna overheat, man.
They gonna get hot.
Niggas already about to go
crazy.
Say all of y'all back up. Back up on the line, man. Come on, man, homie. Get the line right. Hey, man, these dogs getting hot. The second line. The second line. We're gonna bag up.
Man, back up some more.